Hey guys, here's a review for a really cool WordPress theme. It's called Covert Video Press. Now, this is a theme that you can use to create a website of tons of videos. So basically what it does is you configure the theme, you load up their special Covert Video Content plugin, and it will integrate with the theme and automatically grab any videos you want from YouTube, Vimeo, any of these other cool trending video websites, and then it will throw them on your web page, and it'll look like a YouTube page or like a Pinterest page. Basically all you have to do to get started is you load up the theme, and then it's 10 steps. You just put in all your information, and then the theme is completely configured and it displays really well. Then you load in your content and it'll automatically start displaying your videos, posts. All your posts don't have to be videos. If you throw in some other posts that aren't videos, they will be featured as well. They just won't have the video thumbnail. So to get started, load up the theme. Step one is to activate your theme. So you just have to enter in your license key. Then you hit next. You go to step two. I will go over each step really quickly here. Enter in your title, tagline, standard page or custom menu, pages to include, exclude, you can select or unselect, home menu option, you can opt not to show it. You can change all the colors for the text, categories. You can have, don't show any of this, show it. I'm just going to leave it all as it is. You can exclude certain categories. You can change footers, border areas. Next. After that, we'll go to the featured video rotator. So this goes up on the top of the page, and it will show most recent or featured videos in like a scrolling carousel. So you can show the rotator at the top of anywhere you like. I'm going to leave them on as everywhere. You can choose a color or image to be the background. You can change the color, how many videos to feature, default listing order, newest, most viewed, top rated, trending. We're just going to leave it as newest because no one's going to be on this site, so these things won't work yet. Exclude videos from certain categories, change colors, hit next. Now you can have your home page settings. Another thing that's really cool about this theme is for each one of these steps, they have a tutorial video right here that will show you what each of these things is in more detail. So if you can't figure it out after just hitting next or seeing this video and you get stumped anywhere, you have any questions, go ahead and click this watch tutorial and it will show you everything you need to know. So again, you can choose all your colors, default listing, you can choose to show rating, view count, comment count, yes, no. I'm just going to leave it all. And then after that you have single post settings, so we'll just leave it all again. You can hide or show different things. It's pretty cool. It shows you the views, shows you all the tags, shows you related videos. So each post has like its own pre-linked advertising for all the other posts on your site. Like I said, this theme is really cool. You can choose social sharing. So it also has featured social sharing buttons right within the theme, which means you don't need another plugin to use this theme to share any of the content. It'll automatically show it up. If you don't like that though, you can hide them. Otherwise, I like to show them because hey, people should share my content. Social sharing buttons, you can choose from these networks. We're going to leave them all on there. Use stealth versus standard. Stealth is better for faster loading, so we're going to leave that as yes. Next, you have the page settings. We'll leave all that as it is. Then we have sidebars, so you can choose what you want in the sidebar, where you want them. We're going to leave the page sidebar, we'll just leave that off. I don't like that. Main sidebar can stay on the right, single post on the right. You could change any of the text colors or background colors, title colors if you like. Hit next. Now we get into the video options. So auto generate video thumbnails, yes, that way all your video posts will show a little thumbnail. Save them to your media library or keep them on the site. I recommend you keep them on the host site, that way your site doesn't get filled with extra images, and if the thumbnail is ever changed, if you leave it on the host site, it will automatically be updated on your site. Autoplay videos, leave that to yes, that way when people land on your posts it'll automatically start playing. You can activate modest branding, yes or no. When clicking a thumb to open it in a new window, I like to do that as a yes. And then generate schema.org video markup. I recommend this as yes because then your site will be indexed a little bit more. Another thing to integrate with this, since you're going to have a video site, I recommend the one-click video ranker plugin, because that will automatically grab all of that schema information from your posts and send it off to Google. You can check out my review on that plugin through my YouTube channel. It's a great plugin to have, especially if you have any videos on your site. Okay, so once you have all this entered, hit next. It says congratulations, you got the final step. Now, you can have people follow your own social media networks in addition to sharing it. You can also use autoresponder information, so you can have a pop-up show up on your videos and website to capture leads. This is so cool. You can integrate it with Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, MailChimp, or any other that runs with an API key. You can have a lightbox pop up when they leave the site, when the page loads. If the same person visits your website multiple times, let's say they don't want to see it every time because that could get annoying and then they might not like your site. So just show it as when closed, wait 7 days before showing it again. Or we'll just say wait 3 days. And we don't have to integrate this right now, so we'll leave it, but I'm going to leave it on there as when leaving the site. And then when you're done, you just hit save. Okay, so now what we'll do is I have a post created. We'll just go here to all posts and we're going to view that post so you can see how the post looks. It's not a video post, it's just a regular content with no thumbnail. So here it is. It shows up the post in here, so it automatically assigns like a default thumbnail to anything that's not a video. Here, this is the Covert Social Buzz plugin on there. 2 views. Rating. Now this was all the stuff that you could leave within the theme settings, tags, categories, related videos, comments. So here is the other share. This is the one that's default within the theme. You can click share and then all these little drop down, and then you can click on whichever one you like, and then it also gives you the link to copy. So this is the default one with the theme. This is another plugin that I have the site, the Covert Social Buzz plugin. I recommend using this with any Covert product, and then you could just not select the default one. Okay, so now we will go to most viewed. This is how it looks. You'll have posts show up down here, and then they have comments, the views, a little excerpt, title, and then the image. Obviously, if this was a video, it will have the video thumbnail and all the video information right here. So that is the Covert VideoPress theme. I highly recommend using that theme if you have any videos on your website that you want a site completely for videos. This theme works the best with the Covert Video Content plugin. Check out the other review for that and you will see how nicely that will integrate with this theme. That is what the theme was made for. Those two plugins were made to go hand in hand, and they should be purchased together and used together to make an awesome viral video site.